how to share your Squarespace website. So here from the dashboard, I'll just click on website, and this will take me to this page where I can edit my website and where I can make any changes to it. So basically, if you want to share your website, you need to copy this URL, which is going to look like this, and we're just going to right click and copy it, and we can share it with people. But before we can actually share it, then the website will need to be published. So how can we do that? We can do that by going to settings here, and then from the first category, site availability, just make sure it's set to public here. So if we click on it, it will tell us that if we want to make the site public and to allow people to view it, we will need to upgrade to premium plan here. So if I click on it, then it will show us the different premium plans, and we can upgrade here if we want to publish it. And then if people go to this link, which we just copied and paste it like so, then it's going to look like this, and they will be able to access it. So I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.